Nothing like some Starbucks at 9:30 at night, being super basic. So welcome back, guys. Last month, my family and I decided to take a road trip across the country. We went out to California to see some friends. Along the way, we stopped in Denver to see some more friends. I decided it was a great idea to buy a $500 Forester off Craigslist. It didn't go as smoothly as planned, but it didn't completely suck. So this is what we went through on our journey. Stay tuned. April 16th. Yeah, there's a lot of snow here. We got the Forester all loaded up. Gonna send it out to Colorado/California for the week. Our adventures are turning out to be rather slow. We only have 15 more hours of driving. We made it to Denver. Well, almost Denver. The Forester decided to do Subaru things and overheat on the highway. So we stopped and got some Polar. Added a bit of coolant. Should be good to go now. Officially leaving Denver. Subi's doing great. Mountains in the back. We're in Silverthorne right now. Had to stop at Starbucks to get our basic on. Heading to Grand Canyon, got another 9-hour drive. Should be a good day. So we're gonna add some more coolant and keep driving for 3 more hours. Trip update. We're in the middle of Grand Canyon. It snowed last night. Subaru not happy on the way here. All the sand from the Arizona desert storm that we battled through last night. We have 9 hours to go to California, where we'll probably pull the engine out, replace the head gaskets, and try to make it back 32 hours home to Wisconsin. Should be a great time. Forester made it to California. Beautiful sunshine state. We had our friends who have an excessive but appropriate amount of cars. Went 9 hours yesterday without overheating. Not sure if we want to pull the head gasket or not. We'll do some diagnostic on it today and go from there.
Just like a rock star. Feel just like a rock star.
Well, we made it all the way from Paso to Las Vegas. No heat problems at all. It was running good. We made it through the Moab Desert. Then we made the trek from Las Vegas to Denver, and it was overheating a lot. We ended up replacing the thermostat because this lower radiator hose was ice cold, and the top hose was just burning hot, lots of air in it. Just burped the system. We're gonna give it a go on the highway, see how it goes. I think we're all good. We also had to replace the battery with the cheapest off-the-shelf battery the auto parts store had, because ours was spewing acid all over the engine bay. Got a bit of a mess to pick up. Hopefully no dogs lick up this coolant. And yeah, we'll head home to Wisconsin now. What an epic road trip. 32 hours one way just to Paso Robles. If you factor in Denver, Las Vegas, the Grand Canyon, it's over 70 hours of driving in 1 week out of this beast. Not gonna lie, I doubted it. I doubted it a lot. But you have to remember, this is a $500 car I bought off Craigslist. Changed all the fluids, checked it over a little bit, and bombed it across the United States. We did have some issues, Thermostat was bad. Wish I would have known it in the beginning of the trip, because it was a problem randomly throughout the trip. We didn't discover it until late into the trip. The AC did fail. That happened right before we went to Arizona. But kind of sucked because Arizona was 100 degrees. But the giant sunroof made up for it. It's in desperate need of a bath. The engine bay is full of sand and dirt from Arizona sandstorms. So all in all, not a bad trip. Pretty happy about it. Probably gonna wait another year before we do something crazy like that again. Well, that was fun. If you guys think I'm crazy or thought that was a great idea, make sure to hit the like button. But for now, we'll see you next time.